Let's open the case now. So this is the case, Micro ATX case, RGB fans and everything already built in, so I don't have to purchase them separately. Let's open this. As you can see, this is the case. It's a tinted glass on one side. It's not as tall as my PC, but should be good. It's a Micro ATX, and the board I have is also Micro ATX, so it's good. And we have two RGB fans inside this. So on top we have the magnetic filter, dust filter, power button, reset, two USB 2 and one USB 3.0, headphone and mic. And this is the I/O. We also have a RGB fan here. We can remove this. Micro ATX. They have the cable for all these fans here.